Hey, lovely folks, how are you today? We are here, as you can see when the video started, we're at Knoxville Express. And if you are living in rural Jamaica and you want to ship items from overseas and get them delivered to you here in Jamaica, you found the right shipping company for you. We are the ones that are going to allow you to purchase stuff online. We're going to ship them to Jamaica for you, clear customs, and get them sent down to you in rural Jamaica via our exclusive partnership with Knoxford Express. Yes, folks, your stuff will come down in AC comfort. Once you've made your payment online, because we have many payment options online, that's all you need to do. Go down to Knoxford Express and you can pick up your packages hassle-free in AC comfort. You don't need to pay anything at Knoxford. Just go in there and tell them that we send it for your package. Alright, guys? So all of my folks in rural Jamaica, you have an option. You can buy your stuff online and get them shipped and delivered to you here in Jamaica. Alright? So there's a link here somewhere, guys, or in the description box. Go ahead, find that link. Join us today so that you can get your items shipped from overseas and sent down via Knoxford if you're in rural Jamaica. If you're in St. Catherine or Kingston, we're going to deliver those items directly to your doorsteps. Alright, guys, so catch you guys later. We're going to send these packages down. Your back off is strong here. I have to lift up all of these and take them inside. Alright, and they'll be coming down to you. So all of my folks down in country, love you know, I soon come visit you know. But for now, I'm sending your items to you. Alright, later. Bye bye. Show them the items, them man. Show them. All of them coming down today. Bye bye.